Roedd na un gêm yn y brif adran Bnawn Sul rhwng Met yn yr ail safla a Caerdydd yn drydydd. Gêm oedd i fod i gael ei chwarae cyn y Nadolig, ond yn cael ei gohirio oherwydd cyfyngiadau Covid. Cafodd Met ddechrau ardderchog i'r gêm. Eli Pris yn ennill cic o'r smotyn i'r myfyrwyr wedi chwarter awr. Disgynodd y cyfrifoldeb ar Emily Allen, dim problem o gwbl i 9fed gol gyngred y tymor hwn. Roedd un ddwyr Met wedi hanner awr y chwarae. Cerin Chamberlain yn methu a delio gyda chroesiad Eli Pris ac yn creu cyfle hawdd i Eliana Chavez. Roedd Eli Pris ar dan i Met yn creu gol arall cyn yr egwyl o'r asgell dde ac Eliana Chavez yn rhydd yn y cwrt unwaith eto i ddarganfod cefn yr hwyd. Dechrau perffaith i'r ail hanner gan yr ymwelwyr, yr ergyd arbennig yma gan Fion Price yn rhoi llygedyn obaith i Caerdydd. 5 munud yn ddiweddarach llwyddodd Phoebe Poole i sgorio'r ail i Caerdydd, game on. Anghofiwch Lerpwl yn Istanbul, beth am Caerdydd yng Nghyncoed. Yr eilydd, Zoe Atkins yn penio i gefn yr hwyd i ddod ar adar gleision yn gyfartal am gêm. Ond i gwaith caled roedd hi'n dorg calon i Gaerdydd. Stephanie Turner yn ymateb yn gynt na neb i gamgymeriad Chamberlain i selio buddigolaeth allweddol i'r myfyrwyr.
First half, I thought we were outstanding. We showed that what character we have, that we played the Cardiff Met way, which was great. And then, yeah, second half, sort of first 20-25 minutes, we had a bit of a slow start, which luckily it didn't cost us, but it could, moving on to bigger games in a couple of weeks' time.
Eli Priest today was outstanding in the first half. Credit to her. Her pacing behind was frightening, and we were able to keep the ball really well in sort of tight areas. And then we've got that outlet and. First half, yeah, she left them for dust a little bit, and we had players in the right place at the right time, able to get onto the end of those balls. So, yeah, brilliant.
As a team, collectively, all over the pitch, we weren't quite on it. We had some good passes to play in that first half, but it's the goals that let us down, and it's unfortunate that the first goal was never a penalty in a million years. But you've got to move past that. You've got to work hard as a team, and collectively, I thought second half we were incredible, and that's what we have to build on now. And we're a developing club, we're trying to be up there, we're trying to challenge for that top 2 position, we're trying to go as far as we can in the cups, and to do that we're going to have to cut out these mistakes, we're going to have to cut out, we're going to have to improve from being 1 or 2 down, and we're going to have to build on it and start taking control of the games from the start.